Now, both players and coaching staff for Jamaica's Sunshine Girls are expressing optimism that they can better the country's previous best performance at the Netball World Cup when the 16th staging of the global showpiece gets underway in Cape Town, South Africa. The local-based members of the Jamaica's delegation departed the Sangster International Airport on Friday.
Sunshine Girls head coach Connie Francis says it's up to the players now to execute as the team looks forward to their opening game at the Netball World Cup against Sri Lanka on July 28. Games against Wales and host nation South Africa will follow on July 29 and 30 respectively.
We have done the work, we have done all the groundwork, we have done everything. The girls are focused, they are ready to go, and myself, I'm so anxious to see what they can do.
Francis also likes the chemistry on display among the players.
They have been together a very long time, and they're not only been together, they are very close-knit. You know, one thing I love about this squad is the fact that they hold each other accountable for performance, and they are very honest with each other, and I've seen the growth and the depth in them.
Despite some teams having more pedigree, Vice Captain Shanice Beckford says none will be underestimated.
We know the experience level is different, but we're going to treat every match like it's our first. So we're going out there to play hard, and we just take one match at a time and build up to the final match.
The Sunshine Girls are expected to arrive in Cape Town on Saturday. Their best placing at the Netball World Cup were third place finishes at the 1991, 2003 and 2007 editions. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.